Let us look at a few simple definitions in construction industry. What exactly is tender in construction industry? Tender, written offer to execute a specified work within a certain time under certain conditions of contract between the contractor and the client for a certain amount of money. Notice inviting tender, public document announcing a work and inviting interested parties to bid. Details of the conditions of the work are also either indicated or the method of obtaining them is given. Depending upon the scale, estimated cost, the level of circulation could be different. General contents of an NIT: name of the client inviting tender, pre-qualifications if any, nature of work, estimated cost, time of completion, conditions while undertaking contract, general conditions of contract GCC, special conditions of contract SCC, details of earnest money deposit EMD, details of security deposit SD, and performance guarantee, last date, time for submission, date, time, and place of tender opening. Earnest money deposit. While submitting a tender, contractor has to deposit a certain amount of money, say about 2% of estimated project cost, with the client as a guarantee for earnestness of the bid. The EMD may be forfeited by the client if any bidder wants to withdraw the bid after opening. Security deposit. SD is deducted from the running account RA bills as funds available to the client for any repair of the work during the defect liability period. If the contractor fails to rectify the defect, this money is refunded to contractor after this defect liability period has elapsed and no defect is pending for rectification. Evaluation of bids and identification of contractor. The bids may be evaluated on the basis of lowest cost alone. In some cases, technical competence, financial soundness, safety record, etc. may also be a part of the evaluation process. This can be done by an empanelment or submission of appropriate documents. Bids are invited in two parts: technical and financial bids, which are opened separately. Financial bids are usually opened for only those bidders which qualify technically. Evaluation could be based only on cost for technically qualified bidders or composite a score based on evaluation of technical and financial bids. Letter of intent and performance guarantee. The client identifies the agency to whom the work is to be awarded and issues a letter of intent LOI asking the bidder to deposit a performance guarantee, say 5% of the award value. Mobilize and commence work. The date of commencement is defined in the LOI. The performance guarantee is released after the issue of the completion certificate by the client if the performance time etc. during the execution is found satisfactory. So we first publish NIT to different media, then we evaluating bids based on bidding criteria, then award of job and signing of contract, then we give mobilization advance if required, then starting the construction work. After thorough document verification, past record, financial details, etc., mobilization advance given to the contractor by client to initiate the construction activities at site. It is recovered from running account bills. No advance should be given without a supporting guarantee. Now we have different types of contract: lump sum, turnkey, item rate, build, own, operate and transfer, boot, engineering, procurement and construction, EPC.